Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. I today video I be compared two popular e-commerce platforms Shopify and Wix after conducting extensive researching and testing both platforms. I ultimately choose Shopify for my e-commerce business. Is this video I shared the reason behind my discussion and the key factor you should consider when making your choice. Please note this video is not sponsored by either company. I am simply sharing my personal opinion and experience. However, if you are interested in trying Shopify, I will include a link in the description of offering a deal of $1 per month for the first 3 months, which is not available directly on their website. Let's dive in. The main difference between Shopify and Wix lies in their origins. Shopify was designed specifically for e-commerce, whereas Wix start a contact content-based website builder at and later added e-commerce feature. Shopify is excellent option for beginner or those looking to scale. Thank you to its extensive range of over 6,000 app integration that work seamless with more than 100 themes and template designed. Your store is straightforward with Shopify intuitive drag and drop store builder. Additionally, all plans include 24 customer support, making the setup process as smooth as possible. Wix, on the other hand, offer plan across four categories: website, business, e-commerce, and enterprise. If you are running an online store, you I need to choose from the other business and e-commerce plan to enable online payment. Wix allow up to 5,000 50,000 product, more than sufficient for most business, but lack unlimited product option. Wix provide over 800 template, a drag and drop editor, and a custom domain name for free for 1 year. However, editing Wix template can make website less optimized for smartphone, meaning UI needs to spread mobile site. Shopify, in contrast, automatically optimize its template for mobile device and create reject link for move page, making it more SEO friendly. Shopify also supports your SEO integration for advanced insight, while Wix offers SEO tools like SEO Wiz and SEO dashboard and integration with Smash for keyword research. When it comes to transaction fees and payment gateway, Shopify offers Shopify payment and Wix offer Wix payment. Using these built-in gateway avoid transaction fees, but their party gateway on Shopify can incur up to 5% fees depending on your plan. Wix allow free third-party payment, but only in USD and lacks multi-currency checkout option, whereas Shopify support multi-currency checkout via its Shopify Market app. Tax collection is another critical aspect. Shopify automatically collects tax for users across all plans, while Wix offers automatic tax collection through a third-party app called Averella. This feature is limited to certain plans with cap on the number of collection per month. Shopify also offers a physical point of sale system for plan, except the starter plan enable real-time inventory update through card reader connected to mobile device. Wix POS feature introduced recently is only available to select users in the US and Canada pricing. And another key consideration, Wix offer a free plan, but its functionality is limited for e-commerce purpose. Shopify does not have a free plan but offer a 3-day free trial and discount introductory package for $3 for 19 days. Once the trial ends, Shopify main plan include the basic plan at $19 a month, the standard plan at $49 a month, and the advanced plan at $299 a month. You can switch between plans as your business grows and receive a 25% discount for annual payment. That were wrap for today's video. If you found this information useful, please like the video and subscribe for more content. If you have any question, feel free to leave them in the comments. And remember, if you decide to try Shopify, use the link in the description for an exclusive $1 a month deal for 90 days. Thank you for watching, and I see you in the next one.